So I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse of me getting ready. Just thought I'd make myself look a bit more presentable than what I looked like before. So I thought I'd do a little kind of home vlog today. Not really doing much, still full of snow outside. It's currently 11th of February on Thursday. Is today Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. Is anyone else just so mixed up with what day of the week it is with this lockdown? Because I know I am. I never know what day it is anymore, or what day it is. I'm just always getting confused. Don't really know the entire purpose of this vlog. I'm just going to do a bit of a kind of day in the life with a toddler in lockdown sort of thing. There's a few little jobs I want to try and get done. Try being the main word, because obviously I have to try and keep Theo entertained as well. I really need to do a couple of jobs. One being put all of Theo's washing away in his room. I think I've got a little bit of washing to put away of mine. Give the kitchen a quick little tidy over. I did a really deep clean in there the other day, so it's pretty much okay. A couple of bits on the bench that need tidying away, and also I need to tackle the living room because it's just an absolute mess. Theo's just pulled pretty much every single toy he's got out and they're all across the floor. So yeah, there's just a few little odd jobs and things that I need to get done. Literally as I stopped recording there, I got the knock on the door for my parcel and it has arrived. I ordered some bits from Pretty Little Thing. They've actually got a home section on there, if you didn't know. And they have some really nice bits for reasonable prices. And I seen they'd uploaded some new prints. I wanted some prints to either put in our living room and also some to put in my dressing room. So I ordered a couple of them and I'm gonna see what they're like and I will show you guys as well. This little man absolutely loves sitting on the sofa with a blanket, being cozy. Tried giving Theo a little lockdown haircut the other day because his hair was just getting ridiculously long. It grows so quick, it's crazy. So we gave him a little lockdown haircut the other day, didn't we? We did. So this is just a little overview of the kitchen. So just need to tidy all this stuff away quickly. Do those few dishes, and this little one wants to sit in here and help. Are you just going to sit and watch mummy? Yeah. If you have kids, you'll know that giving them the simplest thing that they've never had before will keep them entertained for ages. Won't it? So I've given me tripod off my camera because I've took it off while it's sitting down. And you'll probably just sit and play with that while I tidy the kitchen. So the benches are all nice and clear now. For them couple of bits just at the end. So I've just boiled the kettle and I'm just going to put myself a quick bit of lunch. I've just popped Theo down for his nap and I am very hungry, so I'm just going to have a quick pot noodle, nothing that exciting. Also, my camera battery has just died, so I popped that on charge, so I'm filming on my phone at the minute, so the quality is a little bit different. Sorry about that. I'm just going to make this pot noodle, sit down for 5-10 minutes, have a chill, have a drink, and then crack on with all the other jobs that I need to do, because that is the life of a mum in lockdown. Also, I've realised I look like I've got such an egghead, but it's just because I've got my hair tied up because I haven't washed it. Need to wash, but could I be bothered this morning? No, so up it goes. But yeah, we'll stop rambling now and just get on and make my pot noodle. I might have one of these crunchy maple syrup granola bars. Picked them up in Aldi the other day. Hadn't seen them before, so thought I would give them a go. I think I might have one of them as well. A little bit later on now, I had my kind of late lunch. I'm going to open my Pretty Little Thing parcel and show you the prints that I bought. So I just took them out of the parcel and this is how they came. So I'm going to have to open each one and have a look at each print, and then I'll show you what they look like. Here they are. I've just laid them all out on my bed so you can see. I actually love them. This one, and this one, the way they had them styled on the website looked amazing. They basically had these two sat on a picture shelf with this one in the middle. These two are a 3 size and the rest of them are a 4, and I actually quite like these 3. I actually really like those 3 to go above our bed here because, as you can see, it's just a plain wall. This one, I didn't really know where I was going to put it. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but I actually really quite like it. It's kind of a sandy colour with the black and white abstract lines going on. And then these 3 I actually got for my dressing room. I was going to have them in a row on my dressing room wall and kind of have one there, the quote in the middle, and this one there. But now I'm not so sure. I'm not sure if I like this one. I don't know why, but this one I really like. It's just really simple, and this quote also, but I really like this one. I just love the quote. So yeah, they are the prints that I got from Pretty Little Thing. In terms of price, I think the 2 big ones were £15 and the A3 were all 10, but then at the time they had 25% off the website, so I got them for a little bit cheaper. So I think Theo has just woke up. I'm pretty sure I can hear him talking in his bedroom, so I'm gonna go get him up, and then I'm going to have to nip to the supermarket. We need some milk and a few other bits and bobs that we've just run out of. Hello, you had a lovely sleep. Mummy, have a cuddle. Are you too busy watching yourself on the camera? Oh, the camera can have a cuddle. Oh, aren't you lovely? Yeah. Brought Theo back downstairs. I've also changed my top and put a hoodie on because I'm absolutely freezing. So I'm gonna get sorted now and go to the supermarket quickly. I'm gonna get Theo sorted, get his coat on, get my coat on, and also clear the car of snow because I haven't been out since the weekend. It's now Thursday, so what's that, 4 days? So yeah, I need to clear the car of snow and probably try and warm it up a little bit before I put Theo in it because it'll be absolutely freezing cold. I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll probably just catch up with you when I get back. So I haven't caught up with you since I got back from Sainsbury's. It's been a couple hours now. Theo is now in bed and Ty is home from work. Yeah, I'm just going to end this vlog here. There's nothing really else that's going to happen. Excuse the state of me, but I am absolutely shattered. So I'm probably just going to go wipe my makeup off, then get into bed, probably sit and scroll through TikTok for God knows how long because I've gotten a bad habit of doing that recently. Is anyone else the same? I really hope you enjoyed my first day in the life vlog. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and of course click that subscribe button. I would love if you could do that, and I will see you all in my next video.